In today's market, being present on video isn't optional. It's how clients remember, trust, and choose you. That's where twin avatars like myself can come into play. Built from your own video, your image, and your voice, every twin avatar looks and sounds authentically you. Let's take a look at a few of our clients.
Welcome to Havenwood, where timeless craftsmanship meets modern luxury. Step into a beautifully designed open floor plan, spacious, light-filled, and finished with the kind of thoughtful details that make a house feel like home. From warm finishes to intentional design choices that elevate everyday living. The spacious primary suite offers a peaceful retreat of its own, complete with a spa-inspired bath and beautifully elevated design touches. Well-sized secondary bedrooms and baths offer comfort and space for everyday living. Need flexibility? You'll love the Flex Room, perfect as a guest space, office, or cozy media lounge. Each space is thoughtfully placed with large windows that bring in soft, natural light throughout the day. With outdoor living in mind, the covered patio and outdoor kitchen are perfect for entertaining. All just minutes from New Braunfels, top-rated schools, and resort-style community amenities. This is more than a home, it's hill country living at its finest. DM me to schedule a showing today.
Today, I want to show you a truly special property in Miramar. The first thing you'll fall in love with is its spectacular patio. Pool, spacious terrace, and a lake view that looks like a postcard. A true oasis for relaxing or entertaining guests. Upon entering, elegance continues. Open spaces filled with natural light. Modern finishes and a gourmet kitchen designed to inspire. This residence offers 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, providing comfort and luxury in every corner, and everything within a resort-style community with private security, gym, and social club. Contact me today to discover this exclusive gem in Miramar.
Welcome to the stunning Haynes Manor Charmer in Atlanta. This beautifully designed Cape Cod blends classic style with modern comfort. Inside, you'll find an open floor plan with a bright updated kitchen, cozy living spaces, and a main-level primary suite with a sitting area and 2 closets. Step outside to a large deck and beautifully landscaped yard, overlooking Bobby Jones Golf Course. With new updates throughout and minutes from Midtown and downtown Atlanta, this home truly has it all.
To find out how to get your own twin avatar, connect with Kenneth Purdom with Real Estate Photographer Pro, our official partner in Tennessee.